Hey guys, it's Hanky from Ozsports Auto Centre, your European specialist. So behind me, we have our new business car where we previously had a Mercedes-Benz Cla250. Now we've got the Cla45 Amg. So today we'll be upgrading our downpipe, lower springs, intake, as well as putting some new wheels on. So stay tuned and hope you guys like the build. Now we've got our old downpipe and front pipe out of the car. We've got a RES brand downpipe here as well as the front pipe. It is a decatted downpipe to give it more flow and give a better note as well. So now let's go put it on the car. So we've taken our old air filter out. We are replacing with the Antz Performance 5-inch pop filter. So now we've got the whole air box out and we can remove the part where the old air filter goes on, as the Antz Performance filter comes with the base where it bolts onto the intake. So we've got our old spring out at the back and we're going with the Eibatch brand springs, which are low about an inch, just over an inch, which give it that really good look, but not overly too low where the wheel's going to be scrubbing on the guards. Let's open the box. And we've got the Eibatch ones here, which is just a little bit lower. Now, time to go fit it.
scored 999 roses. Let's give him a big round of applause once again for the performance.
So now we've taken our front shocks off. We have separated the front shocks, so we have taken the springs off. As you can see, the Eibatch springs has more coils, which means you'll give a stiffer ride and better handling as well. So now, let's go put it on. So now intake is done, the downpipe has been fitted and those springs are in as well. Now we're on to the last part, which we'll be putting the wheels on. Moment of truth, let's drop her on the ground, start it and hear the crackle, see what it sounds like and see how low she sits.
Scored 999 roses. Let's give him a big round of applause once again for the performance.
So alright guys, so behind me we have the finished result and I'm super happy about it. So we've done the downpipe, replaced the air filter, we've done the springs and we put the wheels on as well and she looks amazing. So if you guys have a European car or any car that you like to stand out more, please give us a call and we can help you out.